Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the oils we use in cooking. First, we have some coconut oil. It's extremely healthy for you. It's good for medium to high heat, as it says here on the package. This is an organic coconut oil. And of course, if you even read just a little bit about it, it's non-hydrogenated. It's best for sauteing or stir frying over medium heat. And it has a bit of a neutral flavor. It's good for baking. Then we move on to canola oil. It's a nice, healthy oil. Of course, the package states that it's an excellent source of omega-3 DHA and ALA. Those are nice things to have. Of course, in terms of canola oil versus, say, a peanut oil, your fat contents are different. This is on the healthier end of the spectrum, whereas peanut oil is a little bit less healthy. We have extra virgin olive oil. As I've said before, this is kind of your go-to oil as far as cooking. You use it a lot. Salad dressings, you can saute in it. It has a little bit lower of a smoke point. It will smoke quicker, so keep that in mind. We also have grapeseed oil. It's got a high smoke point. A little bit more of a neutral flavor. You can kind of pick up a little bit of the grape nuances in it, but it's not something that you're going to use and think overwhelmingly grapes when you use it. Good for frying, baking, any stir frying, things like that. And then peanut oil, traditionally used for frying chicken, but again, it's got an extremely high smoke point. It's used in deep frying a lot. Little less healthy, but used sparingly. It has a nice flavor to it, and yeah, it does help to kind of develop flavor in things like stir fries and deep fried goods. So those are our oils.